This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock a sheet in Google Sheets. The purpose of locking a sheet is to keep the sheet from being edited if the entire workbook is shareable. For example, if I have this 2-sheet workbook that I'm sending to people, maybe sheet 1 is a sheet that I want others to be able to edit, but I don't want them to touch sheet 2 at all. I just want them to view that. What you can do is go down here to where it says sheet 2, right click it, and then select protect sheet. When you are there, this box will open on the right where you will be able to enter a description if you choose and select the sheet that you want to protect. Since I want to protect sheet 2, I'm going to select set permissions. From there, I can either give a warning when someone tries to edit that page, or I can restrict or block people from editing that sheet. And when you do that, you can choose to only allow yourself to edit it, or if you want certain people to be able to edit it, you can select custom where you can enter their Google email address and then they will be able to edit it. So I'm just going to put only me and then select done. Now here I am in another Google account. Notice the difference in the colors. This is the original account and this is the account with which I shared this sheet. And I said that I was protecting sheet 2, so I can edit this one. But if I go to sheet 2, which has been locked, I am not able to edit it. I'm typing, you see that things are grayed out. So when you protect a sheet in Google Sheets, it will allow people to edit the sheets that you want them to edit, but restrict the editing of sheets you do not want them to edit. So this video shows you how to lock sheets in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.